Hey, I want to share with you how everything got started. It began in a small law firm in Albany, New York. And I'm working doing general practice at this firm, and this is in the mid-90s. So one day, a 30-year-old African-American comes into my office, and I'm just sitting there. It's a regular work day, and he tells me a story about how he had been horribly brain injured in a bus wreck. Basically, he told me a story. I said, that is a phenomenal case. The problem is, I don't know anything about personal injury law. Totally clueless. That's not what I did. He had been to every law firm. No one would take his case. I said, I'll try to help you with this. So I started reading all the books I could about personal injury and traumatic brain injury, and I was fascinated by it. So my wife and I would be on weekends at the beach or at a park, and she would be like, you are totally obsessed by this. It's like you spent all of your time on it. What's wrong? And I said to her, this is what I want to do. I instantly knew this is what I wanted to do with the rest of my career. It was an epiphany. And then we'd go to social events. We'd be having like a cocktail hour with other attorneys. And other attorneys would say, what do you do for a living? And I'd say, medical malpractice. And my wife would be like, are you kidding me? Come on. You only have one medical malpractice case. And I said to her, that is the vision that I have for my future. That's what I want to do with my whole career. But it's not just medical malpractice, it's changing the lives of severely disabled people. People who have no recourse, who are not money hungry, they don't want to be violent against their doctor, they just want justice. And the purpose of our law firm, right here, is stopping medical injustice. That is the purpose, and that is why we exist. Because the core purpose of our business is not to make as much money as possible, but to stop medical injustice. And I know that as long as that is the North Star, that we can look for guidance every day and make every decision based upon that principle, then we'll be making the decision for the right reasons. That's the reason why we got into this line of work, and I absolutely love it. And the team of people who work with us, they are passionate about the rights of the disabled. And the core thing that we look for every team member at our firm is, are they passionate believers in the rights of the disabled? Because if they're not, it's not going to work out. And when you work with the people who have similar beliefs as you and believe passionately about our purpose of stopping medical injustice, it just makes everything work out a lot easier. Thanks.